Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a password in 1Password. That's super easy. So whether you're in the web browser version of 1Password or you're using an extension, you can quickly find and copy those passwords. I'm going to show you both. So I'm going to go ahead and click, for example, vaults on the left side and just choose a vault that I have. Here you'll be able to view the vault once you click on it, and you'll be able to see what's inside those vault. And so if I want to see credentials, I can click on it, and here I can easily go ahead and copy the password right here and just basically open up a new document or even a new tab and press Ctrl V, and I can paste the password. So that's one way how to actually let's say view or and copy the password in 1Password. Now, let me show you how to do that if you're currently using the extension in your browser as well. Click the extension icon of 1Password, find the vault. If you're not able to see those passwords, you want to click the account on the upper left and just select the vault that contains a password. You can click it and it's going to show you those credentials now. And so you can choose whichever one that you want to copy the password for. Let's take the same one here, test password, and here we see the password. It's not shown by default, but if you click and copy, you also have the drop down right here where you can see the option where it says reveal. You can click on reveal and it's going to show you the password as well. So you click on reveal and it's going to show you it, or you can click and copy if it's not revealing, and you can just open up a new tab and press Ctrl V and you're seeing the credential. And so you can easily see a password or copy a password in 1Password by using these two methods. And that's it, guys.